So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In last video I showed you how to play E minor chord on the acoustic guitar. So today I'll be showing you another easiest chord which is played on the acoustic guitar, and that is A major chord. So without wasting time, let's go to the tutorial. So as you can see, this is our acoustic guitar, and the finger typing will be 3 fingers we have to use. So the first is the index finger, the middle finger, and the ring finger for the A major chord. So moving to the strings pattern. So as you can see, this is the second fret, and for the A major chord we have to use our 3 fingers as I told. So the ring finger would be on the fifth string, that is the B string of the second fret. Then the middle finger will be on the fourth string of the second fret, and the index finger would be on the third string of the second fret, which is the D string. Yeah, so this is the formation for the A major chord, and we'll be strumming from the A string, that is the second string from the top, right to the last string at the bottom. So it's the high E string. So we'll be strumming like this. This is the finger position. It's like a staircase, so the fingers are one above the other. So this is the fifth string, fourth string, and the third string in the second fret, which makes the A major chord. There are many songs on the same chord, and which can be played using the A major chord. And just for practice, you can interchange from the E minor chord to the A major chord. So for the practicing, you can do like this. For the strumming, it will be. So the strumming pattern is down, up, down. So it can be done as you want, but this is just one of the examples. So like. So that was all about the A major chord. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. In the next video, we'll be seeing one more chord which is quite similar to the chords which we have so far learned, that is the E minor chord and the A major chord. So stay tuned for further updates, and till then I'll take a leave. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.